Hello everyone, and welcome to Jamila's Kitchen. Today we are going to be making fluffy pancakes. First, mix the flour and baking powder until incorporated. Then, mix your melted butter, then your egg yolks and your milk together. In a separate bowl, whisk your egg whites until they form a soft peak. Keep on whisking. Did you really think we were finished whisking? Keep on whisking. Finally, look at those soft peaks. Wow. We are almost there. Mix in the wet ingredients with the dry ingredients just until combined. Keep on mixing. Almost there. Finally, fold in the egg whites. I know you're thinking this doesn't look right, but don't worry, it is. Heat up a mini-sized frying pan on low to medium heat. You also can use a small frying pan as well. Add half a cup of pancake mix to the pan. Cover with a lid and cook until bottom is golden brown. Once you see the top of the pancake dry out, you'll know to check if it's golden brown, and then flip. Perfection. You know your stomach is growling. Delicious, fluffy pancakes. Thank you for watching Jamila's Kitchen. Don't forget to share, subscribe, and like.